Good. Huh.
Ladder, flower, water,
Huh.
river.
Good.
There is a water in the river.
Good.
The garden is full of flowers.
Good. Huh.
He has a ladder.
Very good.
Let's read.
Hmm.
Can you read
Hmm.
these words?
Good. Huh.
Car, garden, market, star.
Huh.
Let's read. Can you start the car?
Good. Huh.
The market is a farm.
Good.
It is a dance in the park.
Good. Huh.
Let's read. Can you read these words?
Good. Huh.
The sailor
Huh.
is on a horse. The book is a turn.
Huh.
I can eat it.
Huh.